Hello, and welcome to day 4 of 12 Days of Biscayne Bay. My name is Dalton Hesley. I am a coral scientist at the University of Miami Rodenstiel School and manage our research lab's Rescue Reef program. And I'm presenting on behalf of the Blue Scholars Initiative and Giving Bay Day. Florida's coral reef is a national treasure that acts as the backbone of our economy for tourism and recreation, an important fisheries, putting food on the table to families, and protects our coastlines and communities from offshore storms and hurricane events. In fact, they absorb up to 97% of all offshore wave energy. But we've seen dramatic decline in the past few decades to the point that we've almost lost our coral reefs from issues around overdevelopment, water pollution, and our changing climate. So, our coral reefs and bay communities need your support. We're asking you to find a citizen science program near you today so you can help restore the future of our coral reefs. You can learn more about contributing to our Rescue Reef program at www.rescuereef.com. Thank you.